Okay, I'm back here with the MTD snowflite snowblower, 10 horsepower, 33 inch. That's a 10 horsepower Tecumseh engine, pull start only. And I just want to finish up this video. This is going to be the finale. I got two things to do yet. I want to do a little bit of painting. I just finished pressure washing it finally, so I got all the green grimy stuff off the engine and stuff, so it looks much brighter. Much of the original plastic had some junk on it from sitting for so long, and just random dirt and everything else all over it. Yeah, gave it a good pressure washing. I don't really want to repaint it because I like all these original decals to try to tape around them and paint around them, or buy new ones, you know, like it's kind of a waste. This kind of rust doesn't really, it's not really the kind that eats through something. So what I'm going to do is just overcoat it with clear, and same thing here. It's kind of neat to have those original decals and stuff, you know. So I'm just going to put some clear over it, which is the same as paint, just doesn't look as good, but it offers the same amount of protection for a machine like this. The other thing I found was that's left in this video, the last thing, is a cover. And I was able to locate a cover, both new and used, for this. I couldn't believe it. I just got the used one for this machine. There's no reason to go too fancy. So that'll be here soon. So for today, I'm just going to spray some clear. Not too much on the muffler there. I'm not going to coat the handlebars. Some other day, just off camera, I'm going to just maybe hit that with a little sandpaper. It's probably beyond chrome polish, and then give those a shot of clear. Also, just to protect them. And this helps keep those stickers in nice shape like I like them, in original condition. Let me see if it'll stay tipped up. It will. Good. This has a nice thick bottom edge on it. A lot of the new ones, the edge is so thin it just rusts away quick. This type you can just replace it. Alright, I'll just wait till that dries, and as soon as the cover arrives, I will put that on as the final piece, the belt cover. Okay folks, I know I said I was done with the clear coat and was gonna leave it and be done with it and just wait for the belt cover, but I can't. Those wheels just need a little bit of something. See if I can get you lined up here. Pretty close. I don't know. I just will sleep better tonight. I don't know why. No, I don't do sleep over machines really. Still got water in there from when I washed it. Okay, I'm quitting now. Okay, I forgot. I can't quit yet. Still got the handlebars. I'm just going to take a scuffing pad, Scotch-Brite type, whatever you want to call it, and give these a little dressing up, just enough to knock the rust off so the clear coat will sit on them properly. Whew! That was almost a finger smasher. Missed this spot. Spray can cam. Pretty dangerous for my lens. Let's see. Get you a cool art shot. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's getting old. That'll just give it ever so slight of protection, because this is going to have to stay outside. No, really, I'm done. I'm going to wait for the chute to come in, and I'm done. Okay, back here with the snowblower again. I have received a package. And it is the exact piece we needed, even with yellow overspray, which is appropriate for our make and model. Just a used piece, got it off of eBay, just fine for our purposes and much easier than trying to make something that would guard the belt like with this. And you know, if it was square it would be so easy to make, but on this case I just bought one. Found some bolts. One of the bolts has to be shorter because it goes in here, and that rod here will hit if I don't use a short one. So let's fit it, and it looks like it will fit. And yeah, these bolts, other bolts are a little longer than you'd really need, but if you got them, use them. Oops. Perfect. All right. So that's the finale. We started with the machine that wouldn't run at all, had no spark, had carb issues. We went through it and we made something that you can still get parts for, and something that runs nice, and it's probably heavier duty than many of the new ones you get, and that's why it's worth fixing. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, please share it with others, and give me a like if you like the content. Thanks.